In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss, take profit and trailing stop on Ctrader. Start by opening Ctrader and selecting the symbol you want to trade. Take a moment to confirm you're on the time frame you plan to use, check the current spread, and note any nearby highs and lows or key levels. This context helps you place protective orders at sensible prices rather than guessing. Next, click Buy or Sell to bring up the order window. This opens the ticket without executing the trade just yet. Set your volume so it aligns with your risk plan and glance at the margin impact to make sure the position size is comfortable for your account. Enable stop loss and take profit using the toggles in the order ticket. A stop loss is your safety net. It closes the trade if price moves against you. A take profit locks in gains when price reaches your target. Both are instructions sent to the broker, and in fast markets they can fill with slippage, so place them with a small buffer around volatile areas. Enter your values. You can usually specify an exact price or a distance in pips. Choose whichever is easier for you. For a stop loss, set it beyond a logical, technical level, not right on it, to reduce the chance of random spikes knocking you out. For a take profit, aim for realistic targets based on structure, average range, or your strategy's risk to reward. Remember that buy orders execute above the mid price and sell orders below it, so account for spread when typing fixed prices. Click Buy or Sell to place the trade. You'll see your position open, and on the chart you should see lines marking your stop loss and take profit. This visual confirmation is a quick way to verify that your distances are correct. Find your open position in the Positions panel or directly on the chart. If you want to refine your protection, click the SL, Sell or TP field in the position details. You can type a new price or switch to pips and enter a distance. Confirm the change, typically by pressing Enter or clicking the check icon. If the distance is too tight for current conditions or below the platform's minimum, you'll get an error. Just widen slightly. If you prefer dynamic protection, you can attach a trailing stop from the same position controls by choosing a trailing distance in pips. A trailing stop moves with the market when price goes in your favor, but it never loosens if price reverses. Keep in mind that behavior can vary by broker and may not protect against overnight gaps. Before you finish, double check every field and practice these steps on a demo account until they feel natural. Consistency and clear rules will do most of the heavy lifting.